Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a document in Kofax. First, open the Kofax application, usually by clicking a secure link received in an email notification. Once inside, navigate to your Kofax inbox or designated tasks list. Look for the document that clearly indicates it is awaiting your signature. It typically has a status like pending signature or action required. Double-click this item to open the document and begin the signing process. After opening your document, take a moment to read through its contents thoroughly. Your next step is to locate the designated signature fields. These are usually clearly marked areas, sometimes highlighted in blue or yellow, indicating where your digital signature is needed. You might see text overlays like "click to sign" or specific instructions. Ensure you find every required signature spot, as some documents may have more than one. This careful review prevents missing any crucial steps. Once you have found a signature field, simply click on it with your mouse. A dialog box will then open, presenting you with a few options for applying your signature. You might choose to type your full name, allowing Kofax to generate a neat signature for you. Alternatively, you can draw your signature using your mouse or a touchpad for a more personalized touch. Some systems also permit uploading a pre-saved digital image of your signature. Make your selection, then click Apply or Confirm. After you have applied all necessary signatures, take a final moment to quickly review the entire document. This ensures that every field has been correctly signed and there are no missing elements. Once you are satisfied, look for the Submit or Complete button, usually positioned prominently at the top or bottom of your screen. Clicking this button finalizes your actions. Kofax will then process your submission, often providing a confirmation message, and your document will be successfully delivered.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.